Hello, everyone. My name is Peter, and I'm the maths teacher who will be taking this grade 8 course on integers. So the purpose of this video is just to give you a feel for what it would be like to be in the course. Obviously, the course will be designed to be interactive, to take your questions, to really be a fun space for learning. But also some of the time I will be communicating with you. And so the way I'm going to be communicating with you will be using my lovely little whiteboard here, so I can draw or I can make symbols. I can use my highlighter. I can also use different colors. So this is the basic space that I'll be using to communicate with you. And this particular unit has a structure of 6 lessons, which you can see on the left-hand side. Obviously, we will adapt to the students who join us, but we have a basic structure that we use. And so, I'm really looking forward to seeing many of you online soon. My personal background is I've been teaching high school maths for about 15 years now, and I really enjoy teaching and helping students. And I know over the last 2 years with COVID, many students are just trying to catch up and just sort of get a solid base to come out of this rather strange time in the world. So we really at Watobi are trying our best to make learning easy and accessible. And so it would be wonderful if you could join us coming up soon. The courses themselves, or the sessions, will run on a Monday and a Wednesday. It'll be 2 one-hour sessions a week. And so that's the basic offering. And I'm really looking forward to getting started soon. And it'll be fantastic if you could join us. Okay, ciao for now.